Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Here are 9 ways to earn money from Gigwalk. 1. Complete gigs. The primary way to earn money on Gigwalk is by completing gigs in your area. You can browse available gigs on the app, accept tasks that match your location and availability, and follow the instructions to complete them. 2. Survey and data collection. Many gigs involve conducting surveys or collecting data at specific locations, such as stores, restaurants, or public places. You may be asked to gather information about products, prices, or customer experiences. 3. Photography gigs. Some gigs require you to take photos of specific items, displays, or locations. Businesses may use these photos for market research or quality assessment. 4. Retail audits. Retail audits involve visiting stores to ensure that products and promotional materials are displayed correctly and in compliance with brand standards. 5. Merchandising tasks. Perform merchandising tasks, such as restocking shelves, setting up displays, or arranging products in a specific way, as required by businesses. 6. Mystery shopping. Participate in mystery shopping gigs, where you visit stores or restaurants anonymously to assess the quality of service and the customer experience. 7. Quality assurance. Some gigs involve testing products or services for quality and providing feedback. This may include taste testing food products or reviewing the performance of electronic devices. 8. Validation tasks. Verify information such as store hours, address details, or the presence of specific signage by visiting and confirming on-site. 9. Referral program. Gigwalk may have a referral program that allows you to earn bonuses for referring friends and family to the platform. You may receive a commission when your referrals complete their first gigs. Earnings on Gigwalk vary depending on the complexity and location of gigs. Payment is typically processed through the app, and you can choose to receive your earnings via PayPal or direct deposit. Gigwalk provides a flexible way for individuals to earn money on their own schedule by completing short-term, location-based tasks. It's particularly suitable for those looking for part-time or supplementary income.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.